Meaning of demist.
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 Demist. The word demist refers to the action of removing mist or fog from a surface, such as a windshield or mirror. This is typically accomplished by using a defogging or anti-fogging agent or through the application of heat to the affected area. The end result of demisting is a clear and unobstructed view of the surface that was previously obscured by mist or fog. This can be particularly important when driving a vehicle, as visibility is essential for safe operation.